As we approach 2025, the financial landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, and it's crucial to understand which asset classes are primed for significant growth. Whether you're an investor, a business owner, or someone just looking to grow your wealth, positioning yourself now can lead to massive rewards. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 10 asset classes that are set to soar in 2025 and why you should start paying attention to them today. First up, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Over the past few years, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been on roller coaster ride, but as blockchain technology continues to mature, crypto is becoming a more integral part of a global economy. By 2025, cryptocurrencies will likely see even greater mainstream adoption and new opportunities in decentralized finance. DEFI will open up. If you haven't started investing in crypto yet, now is the time to consider it as part of your diversified portfolio. Next, we have real estate, which will continue to be a strong wealth building asset class in 2025. With inflation pushing property values and the demand for housing and commercial spaces growing, real estate is expected to perform well. In particular, look for opportunities in commercial real estate and real estate investment trusts, as these will allow you to benefit from the sector growth without the headache of property management. Another major asset class is to watch renewable energy as the world shifts towards sustainability. Renewable energy companies, especially those in solar, wind, and electric vehicles, are set to thrive, with governments around the world pushing for cleaner energy solutions and corporate responsibilities. Including companies in the space will experience massive growth. Investing in stocks or ETFs related to renewable energy could provide significant returns by 2025. Moving into technology stocks, we are entering an era where artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning are revolutionizing every industry. By 2025, tech companies that are leading AI development, robotics, or automation will see huge growth. If you're not already investing in AI, this is an area you absolutely need to pay attention to. Companies like Nvidia, Google, and Tesla are already capitalizing on these trends, and you will want to make sure your portfolio reflects this shift. On top of that, we are seeing a boom in BTech with the pandemic reshaping healthcare. Biotech firms that focus on gene therapy. Precious metals, especially gold and silver, have historically been safe havens in the time of economic certainty. With inflation continuing to be concerned and traditional market fluctuating, investors are increasingly turning the precious metal for stability. By 2025, these assets could see significant rise in value, especially if central banks continue to print money. Green bonds are another emerging asset class. These are bonds issued to fund environmentally sustainability projects as ECG, environment, social, and governance. Investing gains traction. Green bonds will become a more popular investment choice. By 2025, the demand of these bonds will likely skyrocket as institutional investors continue to prioritize sustainability.